In this video, I will show you how to fix Tesla door handle. So as you can see right here, in order to fix a stock door handle, what we can do is we just need to head over and remove the door panel, inspect the handle mechanism, including the paddle gear and micro switch harness. So first things first, identify the issue if it's actually stuck or non-retracting, if they're actually stuck, open or not opening, or if they're loose or wobbly. So they actually have different resolutions for that. So if the handle won't retract, it could be mechanical issue. If the handle retracts but the door doesn't open, the latch itself might be jammed or there could be an issue with the door lock mechanism. The handle feels loose or wobbly, the screws or bolts holding it in place might be loose. So what you can do is you can just gather tools and materials like Torx T20 and T30 bits to remove screws, 9 mm socket wrench, flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, needle nose pliers, and you can also use WD-40 or other lubricant, as well as replacement parts for those.